Well, today video is about another garbage Chinese HGH. I'm Dr. Arsha and you are welcome to my channel. This HGH called Hygetropin, and basically it's a lot inside the market. You can, if you just Google this, you can find many sources to buy this garbage from, and it is anything that is possible except HGH, because we have tested three different sample and each tree was different from each other. Two of them was not even HCG and one was a low dosage of the HCG inside, but there were lots of other craps that I have no idea what was it. So yeah, if you want to throw your money to the garbage and put something inside your body that you have no idea what is it, please go for this, because it's absolute rubbish. It is nothing but HGH. It is nothing but HGH. And from the sources I discuss online with some people who used it, they get the puffy legs, some have a water retention, and some get joint pain, which they thought it's from because of the HGH effect. But maybe usage of the HCG in the high dosage could do the same thing actually. So it maybe what they got was the HCG sample. So be careful, and it is not cheap, paying lots of money for this kind of stuff that you have no idea what is it. It's kind of crazy, so please be careful. Till next time.